Conference room evolution really got kicked off because of what's been going on in 2020 and the pandemic. Forced everybody to go remote, but teams still had to collaborate together. And most companies were not video first. And it forced them to do a quick shift. And now as things are starting to open back up, video is just everywhere.
Google's been at the forefront of the video conferencing revolution because we have video conferencing. Video conferencing is a part of our DNA. We have over 25,000 video rooms deployed around the world, and we use all of our meetings as video enabled to allow people to connect easily.
We're having a conference room evolution, and Mimo has been part of it because we focus on small. Because we're a small touch interface, we're human scaled, and therefore we're generally the user interface to a lot of other complicated systems. One of the things that we recommend is really to design your conference rooms to be flexible. Especially right now, you don't know what the rules are going to be, social distancing, how many people are going to be in the room, how many people are going to be remote, so you really need flexibility.
We recommend using kits to ensure that you have an experience that's designed to seamlessly work together. These come with all the components you need to deploy for different types of rooms, all in one place. The additional benefit of these kits is that we do extensive testing on them, so anytime there are software updates, we run regression analysis and other stuff to ensure that they will continue to work at the high level of performance that's expected.
So the Series 1 touch controller is made by Mimo. It is a 10-inch Power over Ethernet display, which is the human interface to the more complicated system, which is the Series 1 kit. The main benefit to the kit and controller is that it has been designed together, it's been tested together, and it has a consistent industrial design, so it fits right into any conference room space.
When designing a conference room, one of the things we highly recommend is ensuring participant equity. We want to make sure that people who are at home, on the go, or in the office have a similar and comparable experience. We want to make sure that people can see and be seen, so we want to have everyone in the room have the ability to be seen regardless of skin color and tones. We want everyone to have a clear hearing in terms of what they're saying, filtering out background noise for people at home, rustling papers in rooms.
One of the things we recommend is using a display that uses Power over Ethernet. And the reason is because standard PC interfaces are intended for short distances, whereas Ethernet is intended for long distances. It really helps in the flexibility, and it's a single cable that gets you everything you need.
Our experience working with Mimo Monitors has been amazing. We've been a customer of theirs, and from that customer and the high quality products that they produce, we evolved into a partnership. We're really excited to see what the future holds.